Welcome back, friends. I can say friends, right? Well, anyways, the heart of a blue whale, it's the largest mammal on Earth, is 400 pounds. The blue whale itself is 40,000 pounds. Lose some weight, fat ass. Anyways, got a special beer here, and I'm gonna nail it. I'm gonna nail the ABV on this sucker. Probably not. Today we have Flying Monkey Craft Brewery. Tiny little blizzards. Northern Hemisphere. Oh crap, I got it. She covered up the 7% here, but it said 7% on the side. She covered it up. Oh well, 7%. And let's take that off there. IPA, strong beer forte, or whatever. I don't know. 7% alcohol. And they got a bunch of stuff on here, from winter wizards to blizzards. A bunch of little paragraphs and all kinds of stuff on there. That's pretty neat. All right, brewed in Canada. Flying Monkey respects all the hops. Amen. I don't know. Okay, a bunch of stuff on there. What is this made? Brewed in Canada by Flying Monkey. Hot dog. All right. Screw it. So, anyways, that's octopuses. Octopi have 3 hearts. But you might say octopi, but actually the real word is octopuses. There you go. 3 hearts. That's 3 more than I got. And 1 brain. Still, more than I got. And swirl it around a little. See, I would like to use my beer glass, but I can't. Because this won't all fit in there. See, it won't fit. How am I going to get it to... That is a wild labor. There's a lot going on there. You got to have something with some artist or something. You know, give him some kudos for that wild. It's a pretty cool thing. Okay. Hazy, like every 99% of IPAs are. I think I've had 1 or 2 that weren't very hazy at all. But anyways, all right, let's take these off because I don't need them. I don't need to see anything else. Head small, bubbles. We got small and big bubbles. Not going down very fast at all. It smells like weedy. What do I know? It's a little sweet. Has a sweet hint to it. As odd as that is. What do Miss Piggy and Yoda have in common? They're both green. No, Kermit's green. They're both voiced by the same puppeteer, Frank Oz. Now, I can try to guess the IBUs, which I don't think they're very high at all. This is not very, very high of a ABV or IBUs. I don't know what, I would probably say 20. When Budweiser is usually 10, I would say this is probably 20, 25, somewhere around there. The ABV, I'll say 7. I already know that. It's pretty good. Now this, I can taste it. I'm going to get down farther. It's going to taste fine. There you go. I'm not the most knowledgeable person about beers, but a lot of beers taste almost the same. And Psycho was the first movie to show a flushing toilet. I thought, the first time they had a movie sound, or a TV show sound with a flushing toilet, I think was All in the Family. I think that was it. This is a pretty good IPA. I will say Northern Hemisphere IPA. I don't understand what makes it a Northern Hemisphere. They make them different up here than down there, or over here. I don't know. I don't know what the difference is between that. But anyways, for the last one, I'm gonna lay it on you, Jack. What was it? It was something in 2009. Oh, Canada is famous for saying sorry. So in 2009, a law was passed. This is what I'm hearing. A law was passed not to say sorry because you're admitting guilt. Bam. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Ooh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Cheers.